How to pay Meralco bill using the Atome app. Now, there are multiple options for you to be able to pay your electric bill specifically from Meralco using your Atome application. So the very first thing that you can do, if you already have a physical card, then you can actually do this over the counter, which is going to be, for example, 7-Eleven, Cebuana, M. Louis and so on and so forth. All you have to do is to fill out the form, the account number that you do have from Meralco Bill, and then just simply present your application from Atome with your Atome QR code using QRPH directly from Atome app. Now, the other thing that you can do if you will be paying it through online to a third-party application, then all you have to do is just simply find and link your Atome account to that specific application. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to pay your Meralco bill using the Atome app.